During tight economic times, it is a wise decision to take advantage of great offers from banks. RBC has one that potential property or homeowners may benefit from. Miriam Ahuerda is the Area Vice President of Personal Banking for RBC. Currently, the bank is offering a mortgage specials that comes with other beneficial variables.
Well, we have a very attractive campaign going on. It will run until the end of June. What it entails is a reduced interest rate varying between 6.75% and 7%. It also includes discounts on your fire insurance. We also are raffling one big prize of 2,500 florins gift certificate at Crown. And we are also offering special discounts at certain merchants. We were able to get a special deal with a few large retailers, and once you get a mortgage loan approved at our bank, you will get a special card that you can use to get these special discounts.
The offer is opened up to a large demographic of people.
This applies to all resident clients, but also to non-residents, and also if you are only purchasing land. So it's for purchasing houses, purchasing a land, or if you want to build your own house.
RBC would like to go beyond than just offering a mortgage deal. They want to guide and help the customer throughout the entire process.
Buying a house or constructing your house is often a one-time in your life event. So we don't see it as, just selling a loan. It's about helping the client to reach to that, fulfillment of that dream. In the process, there are so many steps that you have to take. And because it's only, you don't do it every day, you need all that information, all the steps that you have to take, all the paperwork that you have to get done at the notary. You have the part of the insurance, you have the appraisal report. You have to know what you have to think about when you're talking to your contractor. And so we guide you through that process by providing you that information.
Call RBC's service line at 588-0101 to make an appointment, or you can always drop into their branch to set up a meeting with one of their senior account managers. Bring with you, if you can, your last 2 payslips, appraisal report, contractor quotation, and a letter from your employer.